Hey there! Ready to dive deep into the world of Python data types? Let's talk about all that good stuff you need to know as a fresher in IT, starting with the essentials. So, why should you care? Well, data types fundamentally drive the way we store, manipulate, and exchange information in Python. Understanding them will not only enhance your coding capabilities, but also empower you to solve complex problems and write clean, efficient, and maintainable code. Let's kick off with the basics, int and float. Integers store whole numbers, while floating point numbers store decimal values. For example, consider a simple shopping scenario where you buy a product for $10 and another for £2.99. Here's how you'd work with these types. Python item 1 underscore cost is equal to 10, item 2 underscore cost is equal to 2.99, total is equal to item 1 underscore cost plus item 2 underscore cost. Print. Great job so far. Alright, let's move on to strings or str. Strings contain sequences of characters enclosed in quotation marks, either single or double. Python offers a ton of ways to play with strings. Here's a classic example of string manipulation. Python greeting is equal to hello world, reversed underscore greeting is equal to greeting. Print. Strings are super useful in web scraping, data validation, and anywhere else where text manipulation is required. Now, for every good party, there must be Boolean. Booleans represent the two states, true and false. Suppose we want to check if a student passed their finals. Python passed_finals is equal to true if passed_finals, print else, print now, onto a complex yet thrilling type, lists. Lists keep track of an ordered collection of items. Here's how you deal with them. Python fruits is equal to print hash access the first item fruits dot append hash add a new item to the end of the list. Print fruits dot remove hash remove an item by value. Print hash get the number of items in the list. Lists are mutable, and each item can be of different data types. It's essential when dealing with structured data or a collection of related items of different types. Now let's introduce tuples and set the scene for dictionaries. Tuples similar to lists but immutable. Imagine a classic phonebook. Python phonebook is equal to print. In contrast, dictionaries or dicts store key value pairs like this. Python person is equal to name John, age 30. Print. Dictionary keys should be unique and, like lists and tuples, can hold various data types. They're perfect for representing complex objects where you may want to change only one attribute without altering the entire object. Infinite loops don't exist in Python, but generator functions provide that illusion. Gen functions yield an object's value instead of returning it, which is great for memory-efficient iterating. Python definite count underscore down, while num0, print num is equal to 1 yield num counter is equal to count underscore down. Print hash output will be a series of counting down numbers from 10 to 1. Now, on to a topic many IT freshers are always curious about: file handling. Python offers various ways to read, write, and manipulate files. Python with open as file, file.write with open as file. Print. Remember, it's important to close your files to free up resources, but with automatically does this. Now, let's discuss importing modules. In Python, modules are a collection of related code pieces organized into independent files for ease of navigation and code reuse. Python import math radius is equal to 5 area is equal to math.py to print. So there you have it. From strings to modules, we've explored numerous types and operations that will equip you with the necessary tools to create a masterpiece in your coding career. Ready to explore more in-depth concepts and apply what we've discussed? Dive in and start coding. Also, check out Python Data Science Handbook and dive into Python for comprehensive insights. And just for fun, imagine a Pythonista, Neeraj, who writes engaging tech content on his YouTube channel. In addition to his videos, he offers a treasure trove of articles, exercises, and real-life application problems. He makes every piece of content accessible, inviting people from all coding backgrounds to join him and grow together. Neeraj also has workshops and live streaming sessions where he shares his daily coding journey with his followers, including hands-on coding demos and challenging coding puzzles. Through his unique storytelling